Artificial sweeteners are everywhere, marketed as healthier alternatives to sugar. But are they really safe? Today, we'll uncover the hidden dangers of these sweeteners and what you need to know to make informed choices about your health. From their impact on metabolism to potential health risks, let's dive into the facts. What are artificial sweeteners? Artificial sweeteners are synthetic sugar substitutes designed to provide sweetness without the calories. Common types include aspartame, sucralose, saccharin, and stevia. While they can help with weight management and blood sugar control, recent studies suggest they may come with hidden risks that are worth considering. Impact on gut health. One of the biggest concerns about artificial sweeteners is their impact on gut health. Research indicates that these sweeteners can disrupt the gut microbiome, the community of bacteria in our digestive system that plays a vital role in overall health. An imbalanced microbiome can lead to digestive issues, increased inflammation, and may even affect mood and mental health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of artificial sweeteners can reduce beneficial bacteria, leading to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other gastrointestinal disorders. Metabolic effects. Interestingly, artificial sweeteners may not aid in weight loss as effectively as once thought. Some studies suggest that they can alter how the body metabolizes sugar, leading to increased cravings for sweets and potential weight gain. This phenomenon, known as metabolic dysregulation, occurs because the body may become accustomed to the sweet taste without the accompanying calories, confusing its natural hunger signals. In some cases, people consuming artificial sweeteners may end up compensating by eating more calories from other sources, negating any potential benefits. Potential health risks. There are several potential health risks associated with the consumption of artificial sweeteners. Increased appetite. Some research shows that artificial sweeteners may trigger cravings, leading to overeating and potentially contributing to weight gain. Negative effects on blood sugar. While these sweeteners are often marketed as safe for diabetics, some studies suggest they may negatively affect insulin sensitivity, leading to higher blood sugar levels over time. Possible links to disease. Emerging studies have raised concerns about potential links between certain artificial sweeteners and health issues, including metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular disease, and even certain cancers. For instance, studies involving aspartame have shown conflicting results, necessitating more research to fully understand the long-term effects. Psychological effects. Beyond physical health, there are psychological considerations. Some individuals may develop a dependency on sweetness, leading to a cycle of cravings for both artificial and natural sugars. This can create a reliance on sweet flavors, making it harder to enjoy unsweetened foods and beverages. Natural alternatives. If you're looking for alternatives to artificial sweeteners, consider natural options like honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. While these still contain calories, they offer additional nutrients and may be more satisfying. Additionally, experimenting with spices like cinnamon or vanilla can enhance sweetness without the need for sugar or sweeteners. Making informed choices. When it comes to sweeteners, it's essential to read labels and be aware of what you're consuming. Many processed foods and beverages contain hidden artificial sweeteners, even those labeled sugar-free. Educating yourself about ingredient lists can help you make healthier choices. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible is a great strategy to avoid hidden additives. The bottom line. While artificial sweeteners can provide a sweet fix without the calories, it's crucial to understand their potential dangers. From gut health issues to metabolic impacts, these sweeteners may not be the safe alternatives they're marketed to be. Listening to your body and being mindful of how these products affect you is key. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on health and wellness. Now I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on artificial sweeteners? Have you noticed any effects on your health? Share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to tune in for our next video, where we'll explore more ways to nourish your body and mind. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.